Are you wondering if metal roofing in Georgetown, Texas is the right choice for your home? You're not alone. Many Central Texas homeowners are discovering the incredible benefits of metal roofing systems. Let's start with the biggest question: cost. Yes, metal roofing costs more upfront than asphalt shingles. But here's what most people don't realize: metal roofs last 50 plus years, while asphalt shingles need replacement every 15 to 20 years. You'll likely replace asphalt shingles 2 or 3 times during a single metal roof's lifespan. Local weather creates unique challenges. Intense summer heat, sudden hailstorms, and dramatic temperature swings test every roofing material. Metal roofing handles these extremes beautifully. Heat reflection alone can reduce your cooling costs by 10 to 25% during those brutal Texas summers. That's real money back in your pocket every month. Metal roofing isn't right for every home, though. If you're planning to move within the next few years, the investment might not make sense. But for long-term homeowners, especially those with high energy costs or repeated storm damage, metal roofing delivers exceptional value. The key is working with experienced contractors who understand proper installation techniques. Williamson County metal roofing requires specialized knowledge that differs significantly from traditional shingle work. At Willi Roofing Services, we've installed hundreds of metal roofs throughout Georgetown, Texas, over our 25 years in business. We provide honest assessments based on your home's specific needs and your family's priorities. So reach out to us today to get started. We guarantee expert guidance and amazing metal roofing results.